I'm Colton.
And I'm Matt.
And this is Math Notebook. So today we're going to be working on 4 practice problems. So we're going to be looking at problem number 1 here. So we have x plus 5 equals 10. Well, we want to isolate x over here on the left. So what we can do is we can subtract 5. But what we do on one side, we must do to the other. So we want to do the opposite of whatever's happening here. And 5 is being added, as you can see, so the opposite of addition is subtraction. So if we subtract 5 on this side, then over here to this 10 we must also subtract 5. So if we write this now below, because these 5's cancel out, then we're going to have x equals 5. And then that will give us our answer of x equals 5.
It's time for the quick tip of the day. Quick tip of the day, the golden rule of algebra. See, the golden rule of algebra is you got to one side of an equation, you must do, if you do something to the one side of the equation, you must do it to the other. It's like a scale that you must keep balanced. If I have x plus 5 equals 10, like Colton just did, if I subtract 5 to isolate x, I must subtract it from the 10 as well. So I know what you're thinking. What do you have to, we know what to do if you add, but what if you have to multiply? See, you just do the opposite of what is currently happening. So if x is being multiplied by 2, you have to divide it by 2 to cancel out the 2. And then, but golden rule, divide this by 2. So you get x equals negative 25.
So we're going to be looking at a more advanced problem. We can see there's multiplication and subtraction being done here. So to isolate x, we're going to have to do 2 more steps than we would have in the previous problems. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add 10 to both sides. So if we add 10 here, we have to add 10 here. This is going to bring us to 5x equals 25. Now we have to divide 5. So if you divide by 5 here, it cancels out. And divide by 5 here, that's going to leave us with x equals 5. And that will be our answer. So we're going to be looking at one last problem, and this is going to cover division.
So we have division here. And if you look at PEMDAS, we have to do the division first because of the way that PEMDAS works. So we have to deal with this by multiplying that by 4 to cancel that out. But you also have to multiply this by 4. So we end up with 2x plus 80 equals 400 minus 80 from that to get 320. And then x equals 160.
So thank you for watching this episode of Math Notebook. If you would like to go back to either of us working this problem, click right above our heads. You'll have the first one that I worked, the first one that he worked, and the second ones that we both worked. If you enjoy this channel, please hit the subscribe button to see more content. Also, if you would have a topic that you would like covered that you have not seen covered on the channel, go ahead and private message us down below or leave something in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.